Once upon a time, in a magical forest, far away, there lived a tooth fairy with all her fairy friends. She was responsible for collecting the children's teeth and leaving them with a special gift. Every year, the tooth fairy would write a letter to all the kids in the town nearby, reminding them to take care of their little teeth by brushing them twice daily, once in the morning and once at night before bedtime. The children in the town were always excited to receive the tooth fairy's letter on their pillow. They knew that taking care of their teeth will not only keep them healthy, but they would also receive a gift for every white tooth. The tooth fairy would use the teeth to make beautiful fairy houses, which were every fairy's dream to receive. However, the list was long, and every year the tooth fairy could only make 2 houses. Willow, one of the fairies, was 7th on the list and was eagerly waiting for her turn. As winter approaches, all the fairy houses made of grass and sand would get washed away when it rained heavily. They would then have to build new houses all over again. Willow had the idea. What if all the fairies help the tooth fairy to collect the children's teeth at night and also help her build the houses? The fairies were so excited, and the tooth fairy was delighted to have their help in collecting the teeth. Every night, all the fairies went to the children's houses to look for white teeth. They left a special gift for every white tooth. They collected as many teeth as they could. This year, they all worked hard together, and all the fairies had beautiful white houses. That winter, all the fairies slept comfortably and warmly while it was raining outside, knowing they had worked together to create something beautiful. The following day, the children woke up to find the tooth fairy had visited them and left them a special gift for their white tooth. They were amazed to see how many fairy houses the fairies built with their teeth. They knew they had done something special by caring for their teeth, which helped them stay healthy but also helped the fairies have a beautiful place to live. Willow was overjoyed to see her fairy house made with the teeth she had collected. It was the most beautiful house she had ever seen, and she felt proud to have been a part of creating it. The tooth fairy was grateful for all the fairies' help and knew she could not have done it without them. From that day on, every year, the fairies worked together to collect the teeth and build the houses, making the tooth fairies' job a little easier and a lot more fun.